This bicycle has a Chainstay Protector installed. And one of the great things about this is it costs about $3. It's very effective, and at a distance, it's barely noticeable unless you're really looking for it. And today, I'm going to take a minute or so and I'm going to show you just how easy it is for you to make your own and install it. So I went down to the local hardware store, and for about $3 I purchased a 1 foot length of clear PVC hose having an inside diameter of about 1 1/4 inches. This particular piece is just a sample of what I started with. Took this hose and an X-Acto knife and very carefully slit the hose right down the center, and then it just gets applied to the chainstay. So here's a view from the underside of the bicycle. I simply installed the PVC over top of the main chainstay, and I secured it in place with tie wraps. You can see the rear derailleur cable that's going along there, and you want to make sure that the PVC protector and the tie wraps don't interfere with the operation of the cable, obviously. And I did have to make a cutout for the rear derailleur cable mounting lug on the frame there. I had to cut a little bit of the PVC away to accommodate that, but no problem. And that's the underside. So we're back once again looking at the top side of the installation here. I just wanted to point out that this vinyl protection does extend right in here, actually beyond, just pretty much right to this spot right here. I wanted to protect as much of the chainstay as I could in the event that the chain drops off the sprockets here, which I have had happen a few times. Of course, this vinyl protection will protect the chainstay all the way along here. Not a single scratch will be sustained on your chainstay. And it's also well protected even at the bottom as well, because the vinyl wraps around here. Not that I'm expecting to have any chain slap on this road bike. I haven't experienced that yet, but it's protected in any case if you can put this on a mountain bike or any other bicycle that you are concerned about. And I think one of the greatest features of this protector that I've not seen even in the protectors that are marketed by the big guys is that at a distance, a nice paint job on your bicycle shines through. So that's all I really have for you today. I want to wish everyone safe and happy riding, and thanks for watching my video.